In this video, we will explore top design styles for product user onboarding videos.
It's no longer the biggest problem. It's managing all of your connectivity providers. Keeping your products connected can get complicated. So, how do you get IoT connectivity that works globally? Well, roaming can help, but some countries' regulations change so fast, your products can become non-compliant.
Application modernization solutions that quickly and securely converts outdated legacy code, like COBOL, to newer code languages like Java, all at a fraction of the cost and time. When you are scaling humans with artificial intelligence, or SHAE, your teams can use AI to do repetitive work.
Happy and also proud of living in a renovated, energy-efficient building that helps reduce the carbon footprint. She felt safe being part of a diverse and supportive community. Thanks to public, cooperative, and social housing providers across Europe, people like Christine have been able to live the lives they dreamed of. But there are not enough Christine.
Our first product is a line of 3D printed brackets that conform to the precise contours of every tooth to create direct and precise movement. The result? Happier patients, happier office staff, and the new gold standard for clinical efficiency in every case.
Images, files, and rich text previews to give your project more context and personality. You can even link to other canvases. Slack is all about productivity, which is why you can collaborate with any number of teammates. That includes your outside partners using Slack Connect. And of course,
they stop running after you send a transaction to them. If you want to make transactions periodically today, you will have to initiate them manually. To make smart contracts work automatically, you need a third party to execute your transactions at a specific moment. Enter Gelato, a decentralized...
Adapt to changes and to use those efforts to outpace your competition. Sage Intacct Planning uses data from any accounting system or integrates directly with Sage Intacct Core Financials, so your current financial data can be used in real time to populate multiple what-if scenarios or budgeting
and supervising care one click at a time. How can we enable the technology at our fingertips to save us time? With AlayaCare, you have built-in, ready-to-go tools that open up avenues to efficiencies. Use your preferred Forms tool apps to automatically add
changing markets. But the information you need to manage your investments is often spread across multiple systems. So you're forced to use spreadsheets and manual workarounds to see a holistic view of your portfolio. Stale and incomplete views of your holdings and risk exposure can leave you open to missed opportunities.
We're all about smart tools that keep your employees healthy and help save you money. Our model of care gives you greater control over healthcare costs with solutions that work together for total population health management. Solutions like personal health assessments that helps employees compare year-over-year results and identify health conditions that...
Another database? Why?
You build apps differently today. You deploy apps differently, but you still have the same old monolithic databases.
Is that bad?
Well, not if you enjoy lower developer productivity, higher operational costs, and greater organizational risk.
Instead of chopping down a forest to sell the wood, the community gets paid Earth tokens to preserve and grow it. Individuals and businesses of any size can now use natural assets to compensate for their environmental impact via a natural asset exchange that connects buyers to sellers. The market now grows
process and gas supply tank to the Air Products Process Intelligence System. A cloud-based platform monitors and controls your combustion system. Using automatic process learning technology and advanced analysis, Air Products Process Intelligence visualizes the data and suggests possible areas.
Functionality and security, market-leading performance, scalability, and availability that business-critical applications require. Setting new performance industry standards with its sub-millisecond latency, Single-digit seconds failover and 5 nines uptime, your applications can run uninterrupted, even if something happens to one or more.
Growing your online business. With the latest cloud technology built by Namecheap, you can add the features and resources you need as your website and business evolves. And if you get stuck with anything, the best support in the business is available 24/7. Our affordable and flexible pricing plans are designed.
Still, they imagine it to be as easy as any other online purchase they make. Blend's Mortgage Suite helps lenders not just meet those expectations, but exceed them by providing an end-to-end digital solution from application to close on a single platform. Your customers can shop for rates, start their application.
Way to stay on top of urgent, mission-critical work and keep digital services always on. Only PagerDuty combines the power of machine automation and human action. We'll handle the repetitive tasks and direct the more urgent, important work to the right people in real time.
Decisions your company depends on. But what happens when the data is wrong? Bad data wastes time and resources, erodes trust, and results in lost or missed revenue. Companies lose millions of dollars per year due to bad data. From missed opportunities, to misallocated marketing budgets, to inaccurate
and risk and compliance, to security analysts, or even chief privacy officers. E+ can find and place candidates with the unique skill set you need, quickly and cost-effectively. As your strategic staffing resource, you can be confident in our ability to technically screen candidates.
Your security team, providing you with personal security experts who deliver a quantified, real-time understanding of your cyber risk. From technical vulnerabilities like software defects and system misconfigurations to unsafe practices like reusing passwords.
Say HipChat. The meeting is going well until it's time to estimate on the user stories of the project. Everyone has a different opinion on the difficulty of the tasks. How can you help the team make accurate estimates? Consider planning with cards. Before every round, the team can choose from different types of decks to play.
With Relativity-One, you can find the critical info sooner, all from one easy-to-use platform. Once your investigation is underway with Relativity-One, you can easily and discreetly preserve all relevant data in place, collect it, and offer it up for review. Process data from different sources, like emails,
being left behind. For developers, this means rapid deployment and continuous delivery. But outdated tools, legacy applications, cloud lock-in, and multiple test and production environments can sometimes make this tricky. Datacom's Containers service allows developers to quickly deploy and manage their key bits.
Hello, Jane. Sure. I'll just need a few details. Shall we proceed?
But that's not all. Viat also introduces brand new intelligent service distribution channels that empower businesses to adapt to modern customers by offering new ways of accessing services. In this way,
we've been using continuous cluster-wide profiling for years, but for others, the old generation of traditional profiling tools cannot be used continuously. That's why Granulate has open-sourced G-Profiler, a free continuous profiler for production. It's low-overhead continuous profiling that lets you reveal application bottlenecks down.
We saw so much more than ever before. People and places had only existed in our imaginations. It gave us the desire to learn more and to dream of new possibilities. Soon after that, we moved to the city where there was easier access to electricity. Cooking, cleaning.
Personal health management requires increasing amounts of personal data. But today, this information cannot easily be used because the data are produced and managed by various healthcare providers, authorities, and more by citizens themselves.
These power of market-leading data quality in the cloud and leverage leading cross-platform capacity management capabilities for cloud migrations, all with the increased business agility and scalability of an on-demand infrastructure investment. At SyncSort, we believe there's a better way to make your critical data available anytime.
Hard forks can result in loss of investor funds. They also damage investor confidence and can lead to attacks. Decred was built to solve these problems. A hybrid proof of work, proof of stake system ensures that no group can master the